Hello students, today we are learning the earth and its living world part 1. Can you tell where do you get water from? Water is obtained from different sources at different places. In cities, we get it from taps and pipes. In villages, we get it from wells or rivers, lakes, ponds, rains, dams, etc. Where do you lay the foundation of buildings? The foundation of buildings is laid on land. What need do we meet through breathing? The need of oxygen to survive is met through breathing. From where does the earth get light and heat? The earth gets light and heat from the sun. On the surface of the earth, we find land in some places with slopes, mountains, plains, etc. While in some places, water in the oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, wells, etc. The earth is surrounded by the envelope of air. There are living things found on the land like various plants and animals, in water like aquatic plants and animals which survive in water bodies, in air like aerial animals, birds, microorganisms like bacteria, viruses. The sun is the cause of many natural processes on the earth. Water, land, and air constitute envelopes of the earth, namely the hydrosphere, which includes all the water bodies present on the earth, from small rills to the great oceans. Lithosphere, it includes all the land mass present on the earth's surface, from small island to great mountains. Atmosphere, the envelope of air which surrounding the earth, as life is seen in all these three spheres of life: hydrosphere, lithosphere, and atmosphere together form biosphere. The lithosphere and the hydrosphere. The earth's crust is hard. It is mainly made of rock. When we travel in hilly regions, we see layers of soil and rock along road cuts. We see grassy expanses of land in some places and only sand in other. The land is covered with crops in some places and with forest in others. Sometimes we get to see the deeper layers of soil into which tree roots spread. At others, we see rocks split apart. There are gentle mountain slopes as well as sheer cliffs of rock. All these land features are a part of Earth's lithosphere. Much of the Earth's surface is occupied by water. The lithosphere extends under this water too. About a third of the surface of the earth consists of land. A vast continuous stretch of land is called a continent. The land on the earth is divided into 7 continents. They are Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, and Australia. Asia is the largest continent and Australia the smallest. The land is not even in all places. The unevenness gives different shapes to the land in different places. They are called landforms. In the picture above, you can see some landforms like the plain, hills, mountains, islands, rivers, hillocks, hill, valley, pass, mountains, etc. Two-thirds of Earth's surface is covered with water. Most of this water is in the oceans. Ocean water is salty. There are 5 oceans: namely the Atlantic, Pacific, Arctic, the Southern Ocean, and the Indian Ocean. The land along the margins of an ocean is called the coastal region. Water bodies of different shapes and sizes are formed along the coast. For example, sea, bay, strait, gulf, creek, etc. These water bodies are part of the ocean.